everybody, this is the dashboard. This time we're taking you out to the Yulee Cars and Coffee monthly meetup for May. And this is the Walkabout cam. It's a great event. We always like going out to this event. We rarely miss it. It was a great event as usual. A lot of different cars out there. The only drawback was it was a little on the hot side. Hottest weekend of the year so far. Not great, but great cars anyway. So we took a lot of video, a lot of pictures. Hope you guys enjoy this video, and don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you. Alright, good morning everybody. We are out at the May edition of Yulee Cars and Coffee in their monthly meetup. I'm going to take you on the grand tour. Check out this Shelby F-150. And that thing is sweet. Got a nice looking OBS, brick nose, whatever you want to call it, F-150 beside it. I'm not all up on the what's what on the F-150s, the old body styles anyway. Sweet looking Camaro. We got all kinds that come out here. We even got a selection of motorcycles. Kias. Oh look, it's Saturn. I don't see them very much anymore.
Yeah, I heard you just too. That's why I was
Nice looking Maserati.
I don't want to leave.
Oh look, the Camaro farm. Got all kind of Camaros out here.
Yeah, let's try that.
Oh look, a Corvette among the Camaros. Got to wrap back around. They don't pull out in traffic, because people don't stop for pedestrians or anything else around here. Anyway, even got a couple of Holdens out here today. Old Rat Rod VW bus, or Rat It Out, whatever you want to call it. A couple of Mustangs. I like this little Celica here. See him a lot. Check this Volkswagen out. A couple of nice old Camaros. '72 Chevelle. I like that Galaxy 500. Fairlane Special there.
You guys check that out. Make sure.
Look at the orange Squadron Camaro here. That thing's cool. Always got people crawling by looking. Do a burnout. Got a nice Porsche from in the Brumo's livery. Brumo's looking car.
It's out the best thing going. No, I got a trouble.
Awesome McLaren. Oh, Datsun 280Z. I'm never good with the numbers on those. Can't never remember what the numbers are. There's the old dashboard. Off to the side, staying out of the way. It's an interesting thing, trying to sell off-road stuff. Anyway, that's gonna wrap up the grand tour of this one. It's kind of hot out here today, I'm gonna tell you. So it's gonna be short. Everybody's thinking about taking out early. We'll see you guys on the next one. Alright guys, that's going to wrap it up for this edition of Yulee Cars and Coffee monthly meetup for May. It's going to wrap up this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, I hope you'll consider dropping us a like or a comment, or share us around, or even subscribe to the channel. We're looking for subscribers. We're trying to get to 500 for our initial goal. Anyway, share it around to all your car people, even your non-car people. We don't discriminate around here. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and like I always say on every video, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you. And we'll see you guys on the next one.